Here are the colours that humans can see, but did you know there's two secret colours that we can't see? Ultraviolet is around about here, and we can't see it because the wavelengths are too short. And infrared is around about here, and we can't see infrared because the wavelengths are too long. The sun gives off ultraviolet light, which is why we get sunburnt if we spend too long in the sun. Some animals, like bumblebees, can see and be attracted to ultraviolet light. And infrared is used at the end of remote controls to connect to televisions. Some animals, like snakes, have infrared vision to help them find prey in the dark. Infrared light was first discovered by this man, William Herschel, in the 1800s. And ultraviolet light was found by Johann Ritter in 1801. Both men were amazed when they found the secret colours. I mean, wouldn't you?